Hello everyone, let's learn about nouns, number. There are two kinds of numbers. One, singular numbers and two, plural numbers. Now look at these sentences. Singular number. 1. A boy has a toy. 2. A girl cuts a fruit. Plural number. The boys have toys. The girls cut fruits. Definition. A noun which refers to one person, animal, place or thing is known as singular number. A noun which refers to more than one person, animal, place, or thing is known as plural number. Here are some rules for forming plurals. 1. We add s at the end of most nouns to change them from singular to plural. Boy, boys, toy, toys, tree, trees. 3. Nouns which end with o form their plural by adding s at the end of their singular forms. Potato, potatoes. 1. Nouns which end with y and the y has a consonant, its plural is formed by changing y into es. Baby, babies. 1. Nouns which end with s, sn, sh, ch and x are changed from singular to plural by adding s at the end of the noun. Bus, buses. We have completed the lesson. Thank you.